T-minus 2 minutes, 15 seconds. The pressure in the LOX tank is at flight pressure. Coming up on just 2 minutes away from launch.
T-minus 2 minutes.
T-minus 2 minutes, mark and counting.
Figure for launch, so lift off.
The liquid hydrogen vent valve has been closed and flight pressurization is underway. T-minus 1 minute, 50 seconds and counting.
We're figure for liftoff. Smooth sailing, baby. Thanks a lot, Chuck. You guys do super work.
Chuck Hannon has just said smooth sailing, baby, to astronauts John Young and Bob Crippen. T-minus 1 minute, 35 seconds and counting.
T-minus 1 minute, 30 seconds, mark.
T-minus 1 minute, 20 seconds and counting. We can see the purges of the main engines as we prepare for ignition. T-minus 1 minute, 10 seconds and counting. Liquid hydrogen tank is at flight pressure.
Coming up on T-minus 1 minute.
T-minus 1 minute, mark and counting. The firing system for the sound suppression water will be armed in just a couple seconds from now. It has been armed. T-minus 45 seconds and counting. T-minus 40 seconds and counting. The development flight instrumentation recorders are on. T-minus 35 seconds. We're just a few seconds away from switching to the redundant sense sequencer. T-minus 27 seconds. We have gone for redundant set sequencer start. T-minus 20 seconds and counting. T-minus 15, 14, 13, T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. We've gone for main engine start. We have main engine start. America's first space shuttle. And the shuttle has cleared the tower.
Roger, roll. Roger.
Right now they're going through the time when they have a maximum air pressure.
Columbia, Houston, you're go at throttle up. Roger, go at throttle up. Roger, Columbia, on the nice ride. You're lofting a little bit, so you'll probably be slightly high at staging. Columbia, you're negative seats.
That says that Columbia, the altitude is too high for ejection seat use.
Columbia, you're go for SRB SEP.
2 minutes, 4 seconds, standing by for SRB SEP confirmation.
Roger on the SEP, Columbia.
Mark, 2 minutes, 20 seconds, confirm solid rocket booster SEP.
Takeoff initiate.
Mark, 2 minutes, 30 seconds. On-board guidance is converging as programmed. Columbia is now steering for its precise window in space for main engine cutoff. Mark 6 minutes 40 seconds. Columbia pitching over now, diving to increase velocity, decrease altitude, giving Columbia her most favorable attitude. Columbia now 72 nautical miles in altitude, 373 nautical miles downrange. Velocity now reading 16,400 feet per second. Standing by for a single engine Preston Miko call up from Capcom Brandon Stein.
Thought he would. Doesn't trust the computer.
107,000 feet. Range 112.
They'll be measuring these in nautical miles, will they not? 112?
Yes.
So it's a little bit further than that, say 130, 140 miles out.
Roll reversal. Roger that, we're looking. Okay, take in finger.
They're measuring the aerodynamics, of course, inside, and they've also been observing by a big infrared telescope from an aircraft outside, so they're now well equipped with data.
We see you coming right, looking good. Okay, 2.5, I'm seeing the talkback almost landing gear back out of isolation about.
She swings round high over the Central Valley of California. She'll have crossed the coastal Sierras now, well over dry land.
That's a silent spacecraft, no engines, just a rush of air.
No one has ever seen a glider like that before.
We now have a live television picture from the long-range optics at Brighton.
You're coming right down the track. The tracking data, nav data, and pre-plan trajectory are all one line on our flight course here.
Roger, we can go.
Well, the weather this California morning must be particularly good. Those are pictures no one at this end thought we'd see.
Range 42 miles.
Columbia, we show you very slightly high in altitude, coming down nicely, and the
Slightly high, but dropping certainly towards the runway. Desperately trying to lose speed, I imagine. Jeffrey, we were talking about roll reversal a minute or two ago. Will she still be trying to bank?
Yes, one of the techniques of a glider when you have no engines is to widen your track, and that means banking quite a bit to port and then back to starboard, and that's how you can vary the distance.
Of course, she may not have engines. She does have speed brakes on board.
Yes, the fin at the back does in fact split at the back side on the rudder, and it becomes an air brake as well as a rudder. Yes, it's low for spacecraft, but it's about Concorde cruising height.
The pictures we hear coming from Dryden itself.
Range 28 miles.
This is 20 degrees flight path. That's about 7 times the descent rate of a civil airliner.
Just under 30 miles to touchdown. No sign of any problem.
Everything looking good.
Even this.
Columbia, you're approaching the hack now, right on the money.
Well, things sound remarkably calm, but one can't help feeling that NASA is human, and there are men in there sensing they're only minutes away from a major space success.
And crib, altimeter 3009.
38,000 feet. Range 19.
Well, from here in Britain, the pictures look stunning. I wonder how they look from Dryden itself, where Kieran Prendeville hopefully is waiting to tell us how things are looking in California. How does it look, Kieran?
Well, yes. Well, there must be about 100,000 people out here all anxiously scanning the skies looking for Columbia. We've just heard a sonic boom. We expect to hear another one yet.
Well, Columbia's performing well, but Kieran isn't, or at least the links between us are not performing.
And we're seeing 1.3 Gs coming around the hack. And turning on the final, your winds on the surface are calm.
We're trying to reach Kieran Prendeville.
Manual control still by Commander Young. That's one of the chase aircraft with cameras. They have several aircraft up just to look out, and of course that's now looking at an incredible shot of the shuttle.
Right on glide slope. Approaching center line, looking great.
So she's made the sweep from east of the airfield and is now making her approach presumably in a westerly direction, Jeffrey.
15 to 20,000 feet coming in from the west.
Coming down quite steeply. We don't have...
Notice the very, very nose-down attitude. Chase aircraft underneath.
So, by our estimation, we're 2 minutes from touchdown. Things have been on schedule, or just. She approaches Dryden. At this time, it's likely that Young and Crippen will be aiming short of the runway to actually increase speed to give them control in the final stages. They do want to have plenty of lift. And don't forget, they only have one chance at this. If they raise the nose too early, they'll stall and fall short. If they raise it too late, they've missed anyway.
20 degrees nose down. Then they'll pick it up to about 3.5 degrees.
Okay. 2,500 feet clear.
On the final approach. Up to 3.5.
Well, there it is. They've got 5 miles
22 seconds
runway ahead of them.
Touchdown. The crew lower the landing gear. Very.
You're coming. Go down. 50 feet. 40. 30. 20. 10. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Touchdown. Nose gear 10 feet. Five, 4, 3, touchdown. Look above, skipper.
Well, Jeffrey Pardo checked his watch. Was she on schedule?
Yes.
What an amazing picture.
Oh, that's terrific.
Welcome home, Columbia. Beautiful, beautiful.
Can't see any tiles missing.
Oh, she seems in remarkable shape. Rolling gently.
You'll have to take it up the hangar, Joe.
The return of man's first reusable spacecraft.
And the crew applied the brakes. That's one thing the computer doesn't do
I'll
either.
tell you that. It was super. Okay, convoy's on its way. Convoy on. Wheel stop on the Columbia. Wheel stop.
Safety station. Yeah, that's
See the air brake just closing at the back. The fin closing the air brake.
the big V at the back.